The health of both the soul and the nature, that is body, is essential in this alaukic life. When the soul is healthy, as the karmic accounts, or the illness of the body transform from a spear to a thorn, it feels healthy because of the stage of the self. No trace of the pain of illness is visible on his face. Neither will he himself ever experience the pain of the illness, nor will he speak of his pain to others and spread a wave of pain. On the contrary, he will remain content by transforming the pain into contentment through the power of transformation, and spread a wave of contentment among others as well. Avyaktvani, 29th October 1987, page 108, end. Om Shanti.